Anlatalım.
When we look at the anterior abdominal wall, this anterior abdominal wall, we see four muscles. First one we see here. What's that? External oblique. 22. External oblique.
Okay.
Here we see rectus abdominis muscle. Rectus abdominis muscle.
18.
And when we remove external oblique, we see internal oblique. We see here in the middle layer. And when we remove the internal oblique and external oblique, we see transversus abdominis muscle. Transversus abdominis muscle.
Parallel.
It is parallel. Okay.
So
When we
what
look
is
at rectus abdominis, it is rectus abdominis. Here you see transversus abdominis, and some part of internal oblique is covering the posterior side of rectus abdominis.
Okay.
But at the side of the anterior superior iliac spine, the iliac internal oblique muscle leave rectus abdominis, posterior side of posterior side of rectus abdominis.
This is transverse intersection.
Intersection.
Transverse intersection.
19 ne oluyor o zaman?
19
Sheet olacak.
19 sheath. It is transverse abdominis and internal oblique muscle sheath. Onun sheath. When we look at the rectus abdominis muscle, we see in the midline what? Linea alba. Linea alba. It is started from kyphoid process to the pubis symphysis. Okay, it is white, and these lines are tendinous intersections. Tendinous intersections. In Turkish we call it baklava. Dilim. Okay. Umbilicus.
Yes.
You see umbilicus. It is normally between second and third tendinous intersections.
So it has to be like here.
Yeah, it has to be like here. Okay. And one more muscle which most people haven't it,
Yes.
called pyramidalis muscle.
Okay.
Pyramidal muscle. Its origin is pubic tubercle and pubic crest. Insertion is linea alba.
Okay.
Linea alba is pyramidal.
Yanlarındaki şeyi söylüyorum.
When we look at here, it is border of rectus abdominis called linea semilunaris. Linea semilunaris. These lines. Başka
Burada bir şey kalmadı.
diaphragm.
Okay.